Good morning, Vietnam. Right now I'm standing outside of a morning market. This is a very old traditional local morning market and it's 9 a.m. already. So I hear some things sell out or close up by 8. I might be a little late. It's kind of like a maze in here. There's a lot of left and right turns. You can go anywhere. Xin chào. Hello. What is this?
Cherry.
Jelly. Looks delicious. How much is a big jelly? Is it sweet?
Wow.
A sweet like dessert? Oh wow. Thank you. Okay. It's really refreshing actually.
No sugar.
No sugar, yeah. Refreshing. It tastes really healthy actually. It tastes almost like, I would say cactus, but it's probably some fruit or vegetable. I'll take one of these. How much? I'll get one of these.
Five the Vietnam.
5.000 hả?
Yeah.
5.000.
Okay.
Thank you.
Không, 5,000 là mắc à? 5.000 mắc. 5.000 Việt Nam. 5.000 là mắc.
Come on. About 5,000 for this jelly. It's actually pretty nice. We have some bananas at home and like with some coconut milk or something, we could make like a nice little jelly dessert. She was helping translate a little bit, but I don't think she has any more English than the other lady. Oh wow. Little pancakes. You can smell the aroma of food in there now. Guy's roasting some peanuts right here. Some chicken. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious. A bunch of different little snacks that you can take on the go. That meat looks delicious. I'm kind of overwhelmed at the moment right now, like overstimulated. The congestion in here is real. If you want to get your pork, it's sitting right here. Well, it's definitely still alive and true at 9 in the morning. I don't know, at some point I gotta take a left or a right, I just keep going straight. This is definitely not a small market. The only thing small about it is the tight quarters. Everyone's just driving by on their scooters, grabbing the produce they need for the day and motoring off. Got a big old heart there. Okay, wow. Made it to the other end. I wonder if there's like a different opening over here that I could go to see a bunch of new stuff. That is definitely produce, meats, everything you need for the day at home. Hey, buddy. Got a little bit of food items happening now. Seats on the street. What a beautiful street. And got all the birds chirping this morning. Even at 9 in the morning, I am dripping sweat already. Alright, the streets are getting smaller again. I'm one street over, so we'll see what we run into this time. Out to a whole new opening. No clue where I am. Another street. Well, those look interesting. What is this? Hungry. 6, perfect, yeah. I've got 1, yeah. Okay, thank you, come on. Wow, it's nice and warm, hot. Woo! It's so nice they keep trying to like help me out like other people, but the English is little. So it's like some little green dough. Oh, a little bit of sweetness. Tastes like pandan. It's really nice actually. I'll get off the road a little bit more. Some bikes are swerving around me. Can get a little congested. This is really hot. And the texture's really nice. Like look, you can't pull it off easy. So it gives it this really nice dense chew to it. And the sweetness is very, very minimal. Very good. It's delicious. Wow. Throw that in my pocket for now. No flowers, thank you. Well, this is Vietnam in the morning, everyone. Alive and true. Super busy here around this market. Let's head back in. I'm probably 2 streets over now from like the busy, bustling center of the market. But so far I've realized that like I think the foods are a little bit more on the outskirts of the market and the more fresh stuffs. Dude's selling fish from his little thing. He has like 2 in each little basket. I was really interested with what the speaker was saying. Xin chào. Hello. I wonder what bun mam is. Oh, we've made it right back to the peanut guy.